Cardamom is a spice that can enhance hair health by strengthening hair roots, resulting in a boost of shine and luster. It is known to be a key component in maintaining a healthier scalp, which in turn leads to stronger, more attractive hair. Cardamom oil is a natural remedy that promotes hair growth and reduces hair loss. It contains elements like iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which help combat hair fall. Cardamom oil also nourishes and volumizes the scalp, making hair shinier, thicker, and more voluminous. Cardamom, a nutritious herb, strengthens and improves hair texture, resulting in smoother, shinier, and glossier hair. Regular use of cardamom oil creates silky, glossy, and dense hair. Cardamom, a powerful antioxidant, shields hair follicles from free radical damage, preventing premature graying and hair weakening, thereby ensuring youthful and resilient locks. Cardamom essential oil, when used during a head massage, can provide a soothing aroma and calming effect, aiding in hair health and reducing stress, which is a major cause of hair loss and thinning. Cardamom's stimulating effects on blood flow promote healthy hair growth by dilating scalp capillaries, resulting in new, strong, and healthy hair growth after regular usage. Cardamom antioxidants control oxidative stress, which protects your hair from the damage caused by environmental pollutants and UV radiation. It, therefore, prevents premature graying and brittleness in hair. Cardamom is a natural cleanser that effectively removes scalp and strand buildup from styling products and hard water, ensuring clean, fresh hair that can breathe freely. Cardamom has antioxidant-rich properties that revitalize the scalp and boost its health. It nourishes both the scalp and hair follicles, strengthening locks from within. The antibacterial properties of cardamom can effectively address scalp infections. Cardamom oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can reduce scalp inflammation and treat dandruff. It can be used as a hair mask or rinse, promoting healthier hair and preventing scalp infections. Combining it with a dandruff treatment can yield positive results. Cardamom oil has antioxidative properties and promotes strong hair roots. It helps prevent hair damage and promotes dense hair growth. Cardamom oil is rich in nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, strengthening hair follicles and making hair stronger and less prone to breakage or split ends. Cardamom oil, rich in minerals and antioxidants, effectively treats dandruff issues by cleansing the scalp and preventing its reappearance. It nourishes the scalp, making it ideal for preventing dandruff recurrence and effectively treating all hair issues. Cardamom oil is a potent treatment for hair-related issues due to its antioxidant properties, which nourish the scalp and improve its overall health. It strengthens hair follicles, promoting natural growth, and improves blood circulation. Its bioactive compounds ensure adequate nutrients for hair roots, resulting in thicker, stronger hair over time.